Oh, welcome to the Cooking Gentleman, man. Hey, we about to wrap this one up here, man. We got one more to do after this here with this Bison, man. Like I say, man, Sterling, Willie, man, I appreciate him doing this here. Man, we got a good one for y'all today. This one we're gonna do is Bison sausage. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that there in a good old dish. Man, it's gonna be off the chain. And we just gonna have one more to do after this here one. And that's gonna be special too. Man, let's go ahead and get this video started. We ain't gonna waste no time with this here. Man, Cooking General, let's see. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see here, the Willie Bottom Bison. And you see here, I got the Bison smoked sausage right here that I'm gonna use. That's what I'm gonna use. And then this is already smoked sausage, so I'm just gonna brown it just a little bit before I put it into my ingredients. For my ingredients, I'm gonna use some salt and pepper. Now, I'm gonna go with this here. I'm gonna go with a long grain wild rice. This is the only ones I can find in the store, but you can use any kind of rice you want to, but I just wanna go with the wild rice with this one. And then I'm gonna need some butter. I got 1 can of tomato sauce, because it's only gonna be for a couple people. And I got an onion. I got me some cherry tomatoes. I got me some vinegar, because you're gonna use that for your cut okra. And that help cut on down on the slime, so we're gonna use some of that there when we do this here. So I'm gonna show y'all how to put this together. Hey, it's gonna be a pretty good meal here. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now this is an unnecessary step, but you can do it because I'm doing it because I'm cheering just a little bit because the sausage is already smoked sausage. But I want to get it a little fast, so I just add a little bit of oil to it. I'm just gonna cheer just a little bit. Now on the right side, all you gotta do, follow the directions on the box. I'm cooking that exactly to what the box said. Got my butter, I'm gonna put this on now. And then we get to the okra and tomatoes. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you can see I added my tomato sauce. I added my onions, salt, and black pepper. So I got the onions in there, salt, black pepper, and my tomato sauce. Put a little water, kind of, not too over half, just kind of like right there on it, on the line. And you're gonna let this go. And when okra get about halfway, that's when you're gonna add your cherry tomatoes and your sausage. All right, let's get this going. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you see, I got my okra and my onions and stuff cooked about like I want them, just about where you want them, about halfway. Now I'm gonna go ahead, add in my cherry tomatoes, and add in my Bison sausage. And then we're gonna stir that in. And my rice, oh, it's done. Just follow the directions on the rice box. Come back, I'll show you how it looks. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, it is finished. And as you can see over here, I got it. Look at that, Bison sausage, tomatoes, my okra, my wild rice. Came out, oh man. Try some of this Bison sausage. Tomato. Now this is good. Now you can use other sausages, man, but man, this is very good. I got one more Bison video to do after this here next week, and we'll be finished this series. I'd like to give a shout out, man, to hold on. I give a shout out to Sterling, Willie, for getting the meat to me to do these videos. And this is awesome. Like I say, you can use other sauce if you want to, but this is a damn good recipe. So y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. That's at TX Bison for you. Cooking General, we out of here. Let's conclude this video. Oh, there we go, man. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. Hey, that turned out great, man. Oh man, I say, man. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, man. Stanley, Willie, y'all need to check him out. It's at TX Bison for you. Check him out on Instagram, man. Hey, this meat is awesome. And it's like I say, it's a good experience for me because it gives me new techniques to do different things. Man, it turned out very good, very delicious, man. And hey, if you want to try that, just use regular sausage. You can't get Bison. But hey, it's a real good meal. Let's go ahead and end this video. Let me see what I can do this one. Watch this here.